Well, here she is. Doesn't that look awesome? Decals that I made for it. I'm really pumped over this. I can't believe how nicely it turned out. You know, it's got, look at my pilots. I got them in the orange test pilot flight suits. I'm really happy with how this turned out. And this, if you remember, I had to make the back part of the canopy in there. I mean, of the cockpit. I made it. I've got the headrest supports that I made. You can't tell the difference that that's scratch built. It was also missing the dual engine exhaust. Well, look at that. I got these on eBay. They're for the 148 scale Academy F-111. And I took a chance. I looked at it. The guy wanted $12 for them. And I just told him, I pass. You know, I'm not really interested. And then pretty soon he sends me an email back and says, well, he says, how about $5 and no shipping fees? I said, sold. So when I got them, and you'll see in the build, they're really close to fitting. Really close. Just a few things off. But I got them in there. I puttied around where it didn't completely meet up. And I think it looks great. You cannot tell. You cannot tell that they shouldn't be there. So I'm very happy with this. And now I'm going to go on and complete the F-111A, the Air Force's version. Then I'll have the two of them side by side. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Like again, the decals turned out better than I ever thought they would. And as a result, I decided to put them up on eBay for sale if anybody's interested. You know, and they want to build one of these. I do have the decals in 148 scale for them. So anyhow, and I will see you all later as I work on the F-111A. Have a great day, everyone.